fucked up. Pockets broke as hell, another rock to sell. People look at you like you's the user, selling drugs to all the losers, mad Buddha abuser. But they don't know about the stress-filled day. Baby on the way, mad bills to pay. That's why you drink Tanqueray, so you can reminisce and wish you wasn't living so devilish. Shit, I remember I was just like you, smoking blunts with my crew, flipping over 62s. Cause GED wasn't BIG, I had to get PAD. That's why my mom hate me. She was forced to kick me out, no doubt. Then I figured out Knicks went for 20s down south. Packed up my tools for my raw power move. Glock 19 for casket and flower moves.
Then the Fuji's gon' break up. Now every day I wake up, somebody got something to say. What's all the fucking fussing for? Because I'm grubbing more, and I pack heat like I'm the oven door. Niggas pray and pray on my downfall. But every time I hit the ground, I bounce up like round ball. Now I don't wanna have to kill sound ball. Don't wanna have to cock back the 4-pound ball. Look, scrapper, I got nephews to look after. I'm not looking at you dudes, I'm looking past you. I thought I told you, cat, cause I'm not a rapper. Can I live? I told you 96 that I came to take this shit, and I did. Handle my biz. I scramble like Randall with his cut in hand, but the only thing running is numbers, fam. Jigga held you down 6 summers. Damn, where's the love? Listen.
Hey.